Hello everyone, welcome to the second video lecture of list. Learning outcomes. At the end of this session, students will be able to remove the items from the list. The following contents will be discussed in this particular video lecture. Adding elements to a list, removing elements from the list. So, in today's lecture, we'll be discussing about the extend method, which can be used to add multiple elements at the same time at the end of the list. So here, I have created called a list with elements called 1, 3, 6, 7. I am printing the list. Then I am using the list.extend. I am passing the items called 15 India nation. I am printing the list. So I am not using the loop here. I am adding all the elements at the same time. So the first output is 1367, and after adding after using the extend function, there is a change in the elements which have been added to the list. They are the new elements 15 India nation. So this is how I use the extend function. Removing elements from list using remove method. Whenever I use the remove method, it comes into mind that there should be some element. If the element doesn't exist or it is not there, then it will throw an error. The same thing applies in the list. Elements can be removed from the list by using built-in remove function, but an error arises if element doesn't exist in the set, or the list. Remove method only removes one element at a time. To remove range of elements, iterator used. Now what is this iterator? I am using the loop concept, for loop and while loop. The remove method removes the specified item. Now here I have created a list called 1, 3, 3, 4, 13, 16, 87, 98, 109, 210, 4 times 1, 312. I am printing the list. So what happens? Automatically whatever the value as it is will be printed on the console. Now I'll say list dot remove of 3. Now when it comes to 3, it says that there are 3 existing. Now what should I delete? It will delete the element encountered first. So here this element will be deleted. It will not be the second element. It can't delete. It says that remove method will delete only one element at a time. So this 3 will be deleted. Then list dot remove 16. This will be deleted. So 87, 98 will come to this location. Now print list. For I in range 1, 5 list dot remove I. So here they have said 1, 5. They have not said 0 to 5. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 5 range function, we have said that the 5 element or the last element will be not taken into consideration. So for I in range means list dot remove of 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is not taken into consideration here. Next, removing elements from list using pop method. Pop function, it can be used to remove and return an element from the set, but by default it removes only the last element. Suppose I say only pop, what it will do? 312 will be deleted. If I want to delete a particular element at a particular position, then I have to specify what is the index value of that element. To remove element from a specific position of the list, index of the element is passed as an argument to the pop method. So here list.pop, what it will do? 312 will be deleted. Print list, okay. List.pop -4, -1, -2, -3, -4. 109 should be deleted. List.pop of 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. 0, 1, 2, 3, exactly 4. Print list. Now in the first 312 is deleted, then 4 should be deleted. Yes, 4 is deleted. So this is how we get the output on the screen or the console menu. Now pause this video for a few seconds and try to write answer to the following question. State true or false. Remove method can be used to remove multiple elements at the same time using iterator. Probably you have wrote answer to the following question. Now let us see a program to add numbers in a list of size 6 elements and remove the element divisible by 2. I'll go to new. I have to take the input of 6 elements, so I'll say a list which is empty. Okay, for I in range of 6 elements. It runs from 0 only. Exactly. I have to take the input from the user. So what I'll do, int input, enter the element. After entering the element, what will happen? He has entered it. Now how to append it? I'll say list dot append I. I have to check whether the brackets are correct. They should have one more curly brace. Okay, this is done. Then I'll say print list. Now 1 is done. Now I have added the elements to list. Now I have to delete what is the next thing is that remove the elements divisible by 2. For I in list colon if I mod 2 is equal to 0, then if y mod 2 equal to 0, list dot, if it is true, list dot remove is a small, remove I, print list. I'll say element as 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. What is happening? I've got the elements 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8 are the elements which are given as the input. Then here 2, 4, 8 are even numbers. So that elements are removed from the list and finally it is printed only the odd numbers. So this is how we write the program using your for loop, okay, and the remove method I'm using it. So this is a input given 3, 5, 6, 6, 3, 2 and this is the output achieved. Now these are the following references. Thank you.